I'm Al Papish, an instructor here at Richfield Training Center for the operating engineers, Local 18, training apprentices for the future of our trade. So here at Richfield, our apprentices go through a 4-year training period. Generally, 3rd or 4th year is when we start them out with the iMachines and the other GPS equipment, training them on that too, because it has become the industry standard to have it out there in the field.
I encourage every apprentice that we have that is new to the equipment to also start learning the iMC, because it's going to be more and more out there. It's going to be something that you're going to need to learn. So you might as well just start right from the beginning. And it's fantastic that we have the ability to do that with the machines and the simulators, to give them that hands-on training to prepare them for the workforce so they can go out there confident in what they're doing.
Makes a good operator a better operator, makes a bad operator a good operator. Because it just, in the case of that iMachine there, when you put it in semi-automatic, it will not allow him to over-dig, which saves a lot of money and a lot of time on jobs. Having the apprentices and the journeymen well trained on this type of technology helps the industry save a lot of money, helps us as a local and union members look good when we send our guys out there on job sites, being that they're well trained and they're versed on the equipment.
When they have the iMC technology now, it makes everything much more efficient. You're able to see the blueprint of the job, so it helps you see the big picture of what's going on. You know, you can see where a curb's gonna go, where the center line of the road is, ditches.
You're not losing it in a translation between you and another person. It's right there in color on the screen for you. It's not even black and white, it's in color for you.
Having the technology definitely makes you a more efficient operator. Definitely speeds things up, you're more productive.
Nicole was one of my better students, so she was doing it the old-fashioned way, pulling strings and checking her own grade and that. She got into iMachines and started playing with it, and after a little day or so of it, she's just, it was a smile from ear to ear from her, and how nice it was to work with it and how much she liked it. She's just a prime example of how the technology helps. So it's all it did was make her a better operator. She has moved on to another contractor that uses the iMachines pretty much exclusively, and when I've talked to her a couple times, she loves it. She just thinks the job is so much nicer to do, and she's very happy where she's at. Columbus Equipment Company and the gentlemen that work in the intelligence side of it have been absolutely fabulous to me and to all of us here at Richfield and our other sites at the OOE.
They've been able to help us out whenever we need to have more pieces of equipment to put on for classes, any new technology that comes in that we need help with. If anything goes wrong, they're here to fix it and go over everything with us.
When we call them with a question, I mean, they're immediately on it. They are usually out within an hour or two if we have an actual mechanical problem with it. I can't say enough about them. The training that they offer to us, the time that they give to us, so they're fabulous guys to work with.